everybody. It is Monday morning, a bright, sunshiny day, the day after Easter, and I just got back from a long weekend visiting my daughter off at college as it was her birthday weekend. So I am in a mad rush this morning. I went to the gym as I usually did, straight from the gym to food shopping because my house was completely empty. Came home, prepared my peppers, did a ton load of laundry because my daughter sent back with her all her winter items. Yeah, now I'm just filming. I'm a little bit late to work, but that is okay. Usually I'm early and it's late for me, but not late for my actual time to start. So what am I wearing today? Well, you kind of figured it out, probably saw it. You said, probably wondering where this jacket was. I worked so hard to find a top to go with it. I wanted a monochromatic outfit. It's not perfect, but I think it works. This is a, for me, stretchy, almost like under layering piece top from White House Black Market. It's short sleeves and a square neckline, and it does go pretty low, so you have to be careful of your bra, just to let you know. The moto jacket, blank NYC, got it from Nordstrom on sale this past spring. And my belt is from Trendsend last year, as my jeans are as well from a Trendsend. They're cut from the cloth from last year. And my shoes are BP Nordstrom, got them probably in the fall when they were on clearance. You can try and check them out again. They're BP and they're like a clunky heel here, very comfortable slides, very comfortable. All right, and this is my outfit for today. Jewelry, I thought this could use a little bling, so I'm wearing my Swarovski crystal necklace and my Argento Vivo earrings. And that is my outfit for today. See you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hello everybody, it is Tuesday and another bright, sunshiny spring day. It is supposed to reach in the low 70s today, so I tried to dress appropriately. So today I'm wearing a loft cardigan slash sweater. So you can wear this open or you can wear this as a sweater, and I chose to wear it as a sweater. I got this last year at Loft, so it's not available, but it was a popular style. They did it in orange and they did it in lavender and I think yellow, so maybe they'll do it again this year, who knows. But I really love this sweater. It has a lot of point tail detail, but I don't think you need to wear a cami underneath of it at all. It has like a scalloped bottom down here at the banding. I actually got this when I was with Kayla, and I believe she has the same sweater. So the bottoms I actually got when I was out shopping with Teresa Renee. These are White House Black Market, and they're an ivory kick flare. And I paired it with my ivory loafers that I got from a Stitch Fix. I did it through Freestyle though. My jewelry, this is a necklace that I got from Trunk Club, I believe, a couple years ago by Madewell, and my earrings I ordered myself through Stitch Fix Freestyle. And that is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Wednesday and I'm styling for another outfit of the day. It's going to be in the upper 70s today. Right now it is kind of overcast. I'm hoping the sun pokes its out at some time, and hopefully you'll be able to see my outfit of the day because I do not put my ring line on today. I didn't think it warranted it. Hopefully it didn't. Tomorrow and Friday, it's supposed to be in the high in the 80s. Yeah, in April. That's unheard of in New Jersey. So what am I wearing today? I am wearing this eyelet like cotton poplin blouse that I got from Evereve. I got it through a Trendsend probably 2 or 3 Trendsends ago. I like this blouse, but if you like it and it still happens to be online, I'm warning you now, it does run small. So I would recommend sizing up. It works for me because I'm short. It's not much material to tuck in, but as you can see, I can tuck it in. It's also a little bit snug here around the arms, but as you can see, it's fine for me. But anyone with larger arms or a little bit taller, this top would not work for. So I like a top, I like it on me, I'm happy I got it. Just warning you, if you're even a little bit larger than me, the extra small won't work if you're a little bit taller. All right, I paired with it just a simple gold layered necklace. But I did decide to choose these gold earrings. They're kind of like a cutout filigree. I'll try and come a little bit closer, as you can see, to try and match like the eyelet in the top. You do have to wear a cami under this, as you can see. So the white you're seeing underneath is the cami. I'm wondering if I probably should have put on a nude cami, but oh well, too late now. I'm wearing my cut from the cloth jeans that I ordered directly from Cut. They are the split hem, as you can see down here. And I'm wearing my new Dolce Vita platform slides here. So these are our platform style. Big chunky heel, love them, new color, so I think it goes well with the outfit since it is such a neutral color. And that is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Thursday and it is going to be in the upper 80s today. I cannot believe it, and it's only April. So what am I wearing today? I'm excited to start pulling out my spring clothes that I've been squirreling away since the winter. So I have on this sleeveless mocker. Really, I guess it's really a turtleneck. Well, sort of. It's a small turtleneck. Very thin cotton top from Eve. I think I got this like maybe 3 boxes ago. So I'm excited to pull it out. I put them on with my ivory satin joggers that I got from Banana Republic Outlet and my Mark Fisher ivory braided heels. I decided to put on this chunky gold necklace that I got from Amazon, and also earrings, plain gold hoops that I also received from Amazon. And that is my outfit for today. I'll turn around so you can see that. Okay, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Friday and I've been up, went to the gym, went to my nutrition, came up showered, went to my nutritionist, went food shopping, and here I am. I did not put any jewelry on. I've been in a little bit of a rush, so please excuse me. What am I wearing today? I am wearing this gorgeous blouse that I got from my Front Door Fashion. I love this blouse. This color to me is incredible. The name brand is Jade, and it was like $80-something, which is pretty expensive, but I went online and only like a small number of boutiques carried it, and they were even about the same price or even more, so I grabbed it from my Front Door Fashion. It has the V-neck, it has the ruffle here around the collar, it is sleeveless, as you can see. I am wearing a regular bra, and as long as my bra straps aren't falling down, we're good. I paired it with my white Democracy straight leg jeans, which I wore last week and I had a wash, and my new Dolce Vita platform shoes. And that is my outfit for today. Oh, and my belt is, again, the same belt. I got it from Eve or /Trendsend. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for my final day of styling for this week. Hi everyone, it is Saturday and my last outfit for this week, and tomorrow I'll start doing a new week for you. So before I do that, I wanted to show you something I got from Stitch Fix, and I just kind of want to put them away because I just got them. These are the Sashi, S-H-A-S-H-I, Sasha earring. In gold. That's a mouthful. They're a teardrop type of earring with a teardrop inside, filigree, which I have a thing for filigree, and they're just the dangly hoops in back. And I got this from Stitch Fix Restyle, I think around $30 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, they caught my eye, and I kind of like variety in my stuff, and my closet is bursting as far as clothes, so when I saw those and I liked them, I said, let me grab them. All right, what am I wearing for today? So I had a busy day today. So it is about 12:30, 1 o'clock-ish, well, actually 12:40 to be exact, on a Saturday. And I got up and I took care of my pet bunny and cleaned out his cage. And then got ready for the gym, went to the gym, had an extremely difficult workout, thought I was gonna die. Came home, prepared all my peppers, then finished cleaning up the basement by Swiffering and mopping and, you know, all that fun stuff when you own a pet. Went out and got a pedicure, my first of the season. Came back, cleaned up my pepper trays, and now I just threw some potatoes in the microwave to meal prep for my week. And that's what I've been doing today, and I plan to go out to lunch with my husband, probably to the diner when he comes. So what am I wearing for all these things? So I did just switch out my shoes to what I will be wearing for the diner, because I was wearing flip-flops for the pedicure. I have on a Liverpool jacket in coral that I got from Stitch Fix in a box, and it was a personal request. Then I have this blouse. It's actually a camisole that I got from Natalie Attired before they went out of business. And I have these ivory or ecru jeans by Judy Blue that I also got in my most recent Stitch Fix. So these are very similar to the ones that I have from White House Black Market, but I wear a lot of white and now off-white jeans in the spring and summer, and they get dirty so fast that, yeah, I could use a couple pairs. So I got 2 pairs of solid white, 2 pairs of ivory. I think I'm set right now. And with it, I have my most recent purchase of my Dolce Vita heels that I got. They're like a platform slide that I got directly from Dolce Vita. And that is my outfit for today. Thank you for sticking around with me. Give my video a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. And see you next week. I've already started planning my outfits. Until next time.